Have you ever wondered if you can actually make money using CapCut? The answer is yes, and most people are looking in the wrong place. Many beginners think they need thousands of followers before they can earn online. But with CapCut, you can start much earlier. One of the fastest ways is by offering short-form video editing services. Businesses, content creators, and influencers need YouTube Shorts, TikToks, and Instagram Reels edited every day. If you can use CapCut, you already have a skill people are willing to pay for. Another method is creating CapCut templates. When your templates become popular and get used by many creators, you can qualify for creator rewards and other earning opportunities depending on your region and eligibility. You can also start a YouTube channel teaching CapCut tips and tricks. That's exactly how many creators build an audience and earn through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. My advice: pick one skill, master it, and post your work every day. Your first client, first template, or first viral tutorial could be the start of your online income journey. Subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and ways to make money with your phone.